Their enclosure looks absolutely incredible too. Look how much hay reflection. Oh yeah, nice and muddy. We gotta rinse that out. Look at these beautiful fish. I could say confidently this is my favorite thing. I love this pond for this specific reason. This is the very first time I've ever swam inside my 4,000 gallon reef saltwater pond. Let's hop in. Today's sponsored by API, a trusted aquatics brand that's been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting their products for your aquariums and ponds. Now API has got just about everything you can think of. I've got a big old rack of API inside my fish building, as y'all know, and a big banner right there. They've got everything from test kits to water conditioners, fish medications, and even nutritional products for your aquariums and ponds. Today I'm gonna grab the Pond Master test kit and we're gonna go do a water test on our freshwater pond over here, because it's time for that. There it is, the Pond Master test kit. Big red tail catfish, arowanas, iridescent catfish down there, and a whole lot more. But it is as simple as this. And I do this like once a week. Pop the top off. Inside you will find all the different types of tests you could take. In this case, we're gonna do literally the basic. We're gonna test our pH. You take your little API tube. I love that sound. You wanna fill the water up to the line right there. Now on this bottle, it says add 5. Very simple instructions here. They're gonna add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you just start shaking it up. Now mine's probably gonna be a little high, but nothing too crazy, and maybe a little into the 9s. And it's exactly where it is. This little sheet will tell you exactly what your pH is. Can I drop my pH a little bit? 100%. But my fish seem to be very, very, very healthy, as you can see. And typically when that's the case, I don't like to mess with too much. But it's nice to know you have this kit on hand, and whenever you need to do a test for anything, I mean, they've got phosphate, ammonia, nitrate, and right now, all API products are available at Chewy. The link is down below. Again, all API products are available at Chewy. This test kit doesn't only need to be used on ponds, that's just what I was doing a test on, but of course, it is good for aquariums as well. So if you own an aquarium, own a pond, and you don't got this, or let's say any of these API products, you gotta go get yourself some. Link is in the description down below. Thank you so much, API, for sponsoring today's video. We'll see you in just a second. What is going on, Cuffros? Welcome back to another video. Before we get today's video started, a couple videos back we opened up PCAquatics.shop, my new fish store. A lot of it's actually sourced through my house here. We have all the racks full of the PC aquariums, these little aquariums that have my logo on them. They're fully functional. Really, really cool stuff there. We have so many different little things as well. Everything from little tiny tank thermometers, of course, the merch that you see me wearing all the time, in blue as well. Siphons and fish nets and fish traps and so much on the website. If you guys have yet to check out PCAquatics.shop, make sure to go give it a look. Browse the website. We also sell live fish. We are actually getting a new shipment of fish that's probably live by the time you're watching this video. So there's more fish available right now. Go on the website, new drop. Why I mention that is because a couple videos back when we opened up the shop, I did a $500 credit giveaway between Rodrigo and myself, and I've got the winner. Now let me just say this first of all. Thank you all. I'm gonna sit down and actually say this for real. Thank you all so much for the incredible support. Like, when I mean incredible, it's incredible. There was like 300-something thousand views on the video, 3,000 something comments of just how much you guys appreciate the videos and the hard work, and have been watching for like 7 years. I feel like I'm pretty much family to some of you that watch this. And you know, I want to say thank you, because honestly, I couldn't do anything like PCAquatics.shop or build these cool ponds without you watching all these videos. So thank you. And this $500 credit is the very least I could do. I'm glad we were able to do it. Unfortunately, there's only one winner, and I wish I could give it to all of you, but that would be a whole lot of money that I don't have. But Lexi Chell is the winner. She's actually a PC member of the channel as well, so big shout out to Lexi. But she says, yeah, it's on the screen. I'm very slow reading, and probably bored you. I've emailed her, and she will get the code for $500 credit on PCAquatics.shop. She'll have a blast. I know for sure if I had $500 to go blow on that website, I would love it. The link is down below, PCAquatics.shop. It's my new website. I've only promoted it one other time other than right now. Go give it a look. Lots of fish for sale, and of course, accessories like the PC aquariums. Let's open one of these aquariums real quick. Just real quick. So, wow. Packaged very well. Oh yeah, look at that. Little PC sump. Got the aquarium and everything. It's fully functional. Sump, aquarium, LED light to grow some coral. Really, really cool tank. And these are available on the website. I'd probably get one while you can though, because I only have 100 available. That is 100, and I think like 10 sold already, so like 90. Well, that's enough rambling on about PCAquatics.shop. It's time to feed the animals. A favorite part of the video for a lot of you watching. I get a lot of comments. People love to see the animals every video. Doesn't look like their waters are too bad, to be honest with you. A lot of the times they're a lot darker than that. But today I figured I'm gonna really give you an in-depth. But today I figured we're gonna feed the animals on camera. Sometimes I don't necessarily do it on camera, but we're gonna do it today. Lady May, I'm coming, girl, I'm coming, I swear. I just stepped in dog poop. Look who's waiting at the gate today. That's odd, that's usually not a thing. Here you go, guys. Big pigs. Look at him, he knows. And then they swap, there they go. Every time. I've got some fly spray. You guys know the drill. Like if you've watched the videos for a while, you know how it goes. I come in here, I spray the, oh, someone's calling me. But I spray the house. And as you can see, they go over there and they scratch themselves on it, and then the flies don't like the smell of this. Whatever the heck is in this, it's like some sort of fly spray. But yeah, that is a cheat code. And they love it. They really like it, as you can see. What up, King? Hey, bud. You've been very personal lately. The goats are getting so big, it's crazy to see how big little baby is. And of course, Boots. Got Mama Goat over there, and Emmy, Oscar. What's up, guys? You know, I decided today I'm just gonna take the camera around the farm and do one of those vlog videos. I know a lot of you love this type of stuff, so why not? And of course, you read by the title and thumbnail, we're going swimming in the saltwater pond today as well, which is crazy. I'm about to swim in my own reef. Over the last couple of months, we have made that thing look like an ocean. Everybody's keeping the water nice and clean today, huh? You're making my job a whole lot easier, I will say that. It does save like a solid 30 minutes when I don't have to empty and redo all the waters, and I can just top them off. Here you go, you crazy I don't think there's ever been so much of a disaster. Oh my gosh, you guys are so aggressive with each other, I swear. Like, look how much food just got back in. Oh my gosh. You guys have hay over here too, don't forget. You don't have to eat grain. You're not supposed to even eat that much grain. Rick and Morty. Hey, buddies. There we are. Nice scoop of food. I give them so much food. There you go. Grab and toss, you guys know the drill. Rick and Morty, the emus. I just got a new hose for them with a little rack. It looks nice. Their enclosure looks absolutely incredible too. Look how much hay reflection. They have so much room in here. Oh, and there's the PVC that helped us do the water change in the saltwater pond. See that? It goes from right there, all the way at the front yard, all the way through to the pond in the back. My grass is never going to grow back because the soil's so dry out here. But at some point I want to do some nice landscape around my AC units. I try to do little things here and there. This property is coming along. And then eventually, obviously we have some turtles in here right now, but eventually this is going to be full of little turtles all along here. And tortoises actually right here to sell on PCAquatics.shop. Right, Mia? There's going to be turtles and tortoises for sale once I get my class 3. We're waiting on that permit right now, but in here does look absolutely amazing. I'm coming, pigs. Now we got to work our way over to this side of the property. It's so crazy to me. I have all of you watching through this lens right here, but I walk around the farm with a camera all by myself. That's one thing I love. I don't have a cameraman. I don't have an editor. This is all just me. And actually, as a matter of fact, behind the scenes is even my family. My little brother's the property manager here along with me. Takes care of some of the animals when I'm not around. My mom does all my finances. So it's a family business, this channel right here. It's all family. And of course, you guys are supporting it, so I appreciate that. I don't know if you guys ever knew, but I don't have an editor. I don't have a filmer. We rocket it all by ourselves, boys and girls. Anything's possible if you want it bad enough. I've been making videos for 7 years. So if any of you are aspiring to be a YouTuber, my advice to you is be very consistent, find a niche that you really like, and maybe that's not as sought after in the industry of YouTube because there's a lot of people doing the same thing, and just rock with it. Enjoy it and rock with it, and eventually your time will come where it's just that one video that changes your entire life. That was a bait well video years and years ago, but that video changed my life. That's what caught traction for me. So keep going. If you want to be a YouTuber, just keep on cranking. On to the next pigs though. Right, babe? You gotta eat. Hog, coon, ugly face, you gotta eat. He didn't like that. All right. Well, one of your bowls isn't in the mud. The other one is, so it looks like I gotta go in. Oh yeah, nice and muddy. We gotta rinse that out. Here we go. Seriously though, let me know what you guys think about these vlogs. Like, I'm really vlogging today. You gotta let me get to your bowl, otherwise I'm not gonna give you the food. All right, now Babe has food over here. As you can see, Hog is eating and Coon is eating. They've got water, so does Babe. And that side is all good to go. The entire farm is fed other than, of course, inside the fish building. Here we are. This thing looks absolutely amazing. With all the rock work, we got the dock now, of course, the fountain. This pond is looking good. Now, I have not seen much action from the Oscars at the surface. Obviously, I know the goldfish, Oscars, jaguar, and of course the turtles. Everything's in here. I do see the turtles basking all the time, but not much action from them. Hopefully eventually they'll start getting trained. We do feed off the dock every single day, so should only be a matter of time. Vlog, you like to see this stuff? You want to see more of it? Smash the like button, let me know in the comments, because I'm really just filming like every bit of my routine this morning, and sometimes I like to do that. Inside the fish building, let's turn the chameleon lights on. Boop. Look at Leo, he's front and center for us this morning. Hey bud, you're looking good. Of course the pond, we just fed the pond in last video. Everything's doing amazing in here. Arowanas, catfish, you know, the bass, large, that's Thump. So arowana just wants to bite my finger off all the time. Our fly river is getting absolutely massive. Like, he's twice the size as he was, so he's gonna get an upgrade soon. I need to upgrade him bad. And of course, baby mama right here. Saltwater pond, where we'll be inside of today. Look at these beautiful fish. I mean, come on. That is incredible. That's incredible. It looks like the ocean isn't, well, it is the ocean. It's in my backyard. Now this is my favorite thing to do, feeding them seaweed. I could say confidently this is my favorite thing. I love this pond for this specific reason. Feeding them seaweed is so much fun. Watch, I'm gonna do it right here. Boop, boop. See them? Gone. It's gone. They took it. They're just tearing it apart. I got another one here. Here guys, come get another one. Unicorn. Everyone's ripping. There it goes. And they literally just love to hand feed. So they'll get their dose of Mysis shrimp and as well as lots of seaweed today. Look at how beautiful that fish is. They're tearing apart the shrimp. As you can see, just tearing it apart. At the entire property, I think this has got to be the coolest thing we have. Although after the feeding, I'm going to give it a little bit, and then I think there's only one thing we got to do. And that's get declothed, because we're going in. This is the very first time I've ever swam inside my 4,000 gallon reef saltwater pond. Let's hop in. I spared you the time of me declothing and washing myself off, by the way. But yeah, we have to do that before. Just get any oils off my skin and make sure these fish aren't gonna get contaminated with human poison. This is actually gonna be so cool. I do have to watch out for that sea urchin though. Uni is not near me, so we're good. Uni is my sea urchin. Here we go, boys and girls. First time. Whoa. Oh, I don't know how to hold my breath. I tell you what, this is really, really cool. And I could assure you it's salt water. That is so cool. Now, of course, a lot of the fish, wholly salty. That water's pumped straight from the Miami Inlet. Now, of course, everything's hiding, so the GoPro footage isn't the best. The anemones are all inside the pot. It's cool. We need more fish, though. This is 4,000 gallons, and the fish could all just go inside one rock, and you don't see anything. Very, very cool experience, though. I got to swim inside my 4,000 gallon saltwater pond for the very first time. There's no eels in here yet. We are planning to get a shark. There's no shark in here yet. There's some more things we gotta put in here, and of course we'll do this again eventually, but we did it. We swam inside the pond. I really hope you enjoyed the video, a full vlog at the house, and then of course, a dip with all the creatures. This is for all my OCD peeps out there. I'm fixing the sand finally. How long will it be like that until it gets moved again? I don't know. Smash the like button for me, Cuffaro, subscribe down below, and go check out pcaquatics.shop. The link is in the description down below. Just browse it.
Browse the site, bro.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.